Hello everyone. So let's have our lesson for today. So before we start, let's have our review. Ready? We have apples, carrots, grapes, orange, oranges, tomatoes, add, stop, mix. Let's count our numbers. Let's start with 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19. Let's have our shapes. This is circle. This is triangle. This is square. This is rectangle. This is oval. This is car. Let's go with the cars. It's red. It's pink. It's blue. It's white. It's orange. It's green. It's brown. It's black. It's purple. It's yellow. It's gray. Okay, so let's go with our lesson for today. Our lesson for today is Unit 7, lesson um, lesson 6 and lesson 6 and my favorite. What is it? It is flip. It is pour. It is squeeze. And what is it? It is flip. It is pour. It is squeeze. So that's our lesson. Thank you.